Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Ariel Nicole. So today I'm doing this fun festival makeup look. So I had so much fun creating this look. I love all the glitter, sparkle, the highlight, the gems, literally everything. So if you guys want to see how I created this look, then definitely keep on watching. Okay, so I already started with my entire face. I'm gonna do my eyes now. So I'm alternating between two palettes. I'm using the Jaclyn Hill palette. You guys have definitely heard of this palette. So, and then I'm also using the Anastasia Soft Glam palette. So those are two palettes I'm gonna be flip-flopping to create this look. First, I'm sticking with the warm browns. So I'm definitely going in this area, and then so definitely like around here, like all these, and then maybe some of the highlight shades in there too. And then I'm also sticking to I'm also sticking to the 4 right here. So those are the colors that I'm going to be going in with. So let's get started. Okay, first color is, again, we all know this, a transition color for the base. So getting a brown color, mixing that in and putting that right in the crease. So creating that first layer base, and remember, you want to go heavy with this because you're creating a fun festival look and you want to look amazing. So go heavy, and remember, there is no wrong way to do this. It's just however you think you look the best, you know. Whatever colors you want, definitely change them out. I personally like the browns because I don't know, I feel like it goes with everything. I also love teals. So yeah, whatever color you want to do, whatever your outfit of choice works with this look, definitely do that. So, okay, now I'm going in with a darker brown, putting that on the crease. I'm going in with a more orangey color and just doing windshield wiper motions on the lid. Also, this is all using the same brush. This is the Morphe Y19, just a small tapered brush, perfect for blending in shadows. Going in with a rosy color, rosy red, again putting that on the crease and slowly building it. Now I'm going in with the color Burnt Orange from the Anastasia palette. Just grabbing a little bit of that and just putting that right over top of everything and just blending everything in together. So pretty, so seamless, so beautiful. Okay, just like that. Then I'm going in with the Morphe S20. This is just super small, dense brush, and I'm going in with a dark brown color from Jaclyn Hill's palette. It's like a dark brown, just adding that right at the corner of the crease. Really just focusing this up there. Okay, now that we have like the base for the eyes, I'm going in with the fun stuff. So going in with a flat shader brush. This is a Morphe S4, just like a flat shader brush. There we go. And I'm going in first with, oh, where'd it go? So I want this to be a goldy, bronzy look. I'm going in first with the color Glistening from the Anastasia palette. Just grabbing that and putting that right on the lid with the brush dry first. Don't worry if you got a little bit of that brown covered, because we can go right in and put the color right over the top. Just like that. So, same thing, patting, patting, patting. Great. Now, going in with the Mario Badescu Rose Water Spray. I'm just gonna wet my brush. Give it a nice damp wetness. Then going in with the color Fairy right underneath there. Just wet my wet brush, applying that right over the top of the first color we applied on the lid. Guys, I love this trick. It intensifies the look so much. It is so vibrant. Do you guys see the difference? It is beautiful. I love it. So I'm gonna do that on the other side too. Don't worry if you get any fallout. You can always fix everything. So just pat, make sure the color is patted in. Then I want to go in with the Anastasia highlight, and this is in the color Amrezy. I'm sorry, the Amrezy highlight, and then putting that over the top of the lid. Okay, just like that. Then I'm going in with the burnt orange color and just blending away everything to make it seamless and beautiful. So like that. Then going in with, oh sorry, the wrong brush. This is the Morphe R36 big fluffy brush, Amrezy highlight, and just adding that right on the inner corners just for some more highlight and glow. Okay, so now I'm grabbing a white eyeliner and I'm just popping this right on my waterline. God, doing this always makes me cry. So weird. Okay. So my eyes look bright and open, and then I'm gonna go in with, this is, yeah, it's a Sigma brush, like the number, I don't know what it is, but it's just like a flat angled brush. And I'm going in with the color Noir, just any black eyeshadow color, and I'm going to line my upper lash line. Okay, so I lined my upper lash line. Now I'm gonna go in. I'm using another flat angled brush. Just a flat angled brush, and going back in with the Amrezy highlight. And, oh no, okay. I'm gonna put this under my eyebrows. Okay, I really hope you guys can see that. So cool so far. So I'm gonna go in. I'm gonna use this little guy. This is just a little travel size MAC brush. It's just a flat brush. I hope it's focused. And I'm going in with, this is the Duo Lash Adhesive. So I'm grabbing some of this I'm putting some of this on my brush. Oh, shoot. Putting some of this glue on my brush. A nice amount, and I'm applying it all under my eye in a V motion, or a V shape, sorry. So just applying the glue in a V shape under my eye in a nice thin layer, making sure the shape is exactly how I want it to be. I'm trying to do it fairly quickly before the glue dries. And then I'm grabbing some glitter and I'm just, oh my god, this looks so beautiful, applying it underneath my eye. This looks phenomenal. Sorry if you can hear sirens. We apologize. Okay, more glitter. Oh my god, so cool, guys. So perfect for the festival looks. So fun. Ooh, so cool. Okay, now I'm gonna go on to the other eye. Do the same thing. Apply a nice layer underneath my eye. And create like a V shape. Kind of like if you're putting on concealer. The glitter goes right on top. Guys, this is so cool. So fun. And what I like about like the lash glue is that it dries clear, so you're not gonna be able to see it. But you'll definitely be able to see all the fun glitter. Oh, sorry, I moved the camera. I was excited. Oh my god, so cool. Are we feeling it? Okay, so I'm just gonna close this because I feel like I'm getting glitter everywhere. I'm gonna wait for this to dry, see how I like it. In the meantime, I'm going in. So, okay, so I'm using these bling stickers from, I want to say I got these at either Michael's, AC Moore, I don't know what, but I'm using these guys. Okay, and I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. So, I'm just grabbing the bigger ones. I'm grabbing one, just applying a little bit of lash glue in the back and popping it right there. Do you guys see it? Oh my god, I'm so excited! It looks so good. Okay, I'm just gonna keep applying these onto my face until I'm satisfied. Okay, it looks so good. Okay, so really quick, I'm just gonna set my eyebrows with these clear gel because we don't want the eyebrows to move. So just gonna set these in really quick. Okay, beautiful. Then I'm going in and going lash galore. So for this look, you can obviously go super heavy on mascara, super heavy on eyelashes. So I wanted to do false lashes, but I couldn't find the ones I wanted. I wanted like the big dramatic, like I think they were like rhinestone-y ones or like cool sparkly ones, but I could not find them for the life of me. So I'm just loading up on mascara. I would do false lashes, but the ones I have don't really work for this look because I want it to be super dramatic, and the ones I have are more of a daytime look. So I'm skipping falsies for now, but I'm adding a ton of mascara. Ton. Okay, hopefully you guys can see. Then I'm going in and I'm going highlight crazy. So Amrezy highlighting brush, and I'm going into the cheekbones, highest points of my cheeks. Highest. Guys, we're going for that glowy goddessy look. So highlight here, highlight here, highlight here. Guys, highlight anywhere. This is a festival look. You want to be the bronziest, twinkliest, fairy, highlight, beautiful, everything, okay? So you just highlight your life away until you literally shimmer from every single angle. You have to just keep adding highlight. Do we see this shimmer? Do we see it? Oh my god, you can see it on this side for sure. Just want to make sure you can see it here. Oh, beautiful. Just want to add it to the high points of my face. Guys, this is such a fun look. Amazing. Okay, so for lips, you can literally do anything, but I'm gonna do the Becca the Becca Glow Gloss in the color Opal. This is just a nice nude color. Goes well with everything. So beautiful. I love it. It's like very like nude and festival-y vibes. Goes with all your looks. I love it. So beautiful. Just gonna let my hair down, and yeah, I'm totally festival makeup ready. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments below. Also subscribe. I would love to have you guys as subscribers. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and if you're going to any festivals coming up, leave them in the comments below. I would love to know where you're going, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.